All right. Good morning. I am Made Swastika. I am lecturer in Department of Architecture, 11 Maret University. I am manuscript is a typo morphology Balai Agung in Bali. International Conference on Nusantara Cultural Studies. My promoter is Andrik Purwasito, Bani Sudardi, co-promoter 1, and Winnie Astuti, co-promoter 2. And so, background of research, the phenomenon behind Balai Agung research. 1. There is no research on Balai Agung. 2. Public ignorance about the history of Balai Agung. And 3. Researchers see a phenomenon of change or transformation of Balai Agung. And 4, the wider community does not understand typo morphology and the meaning of Balai Agung. And 5, no one has yet revealed the meaning of Balai Agung. 6, data on the existence of Balai Agung is easy to obtain. 7, the act of categorizing, classifying typology of Balai Agung to track change or transformation is very meaningful for the future generation. The aim of research, the goal that to be achieved in research are finding the typology of Balai Agung, the grid and 2, revealing the morphology of Balai Agung from the Bali Mula civilization to date. Novelty and roadmap of research. Research and publication that have been done 22 and 2020. Ancient Wantilan in Sukawati Gianyar, Bali, with an emphasis on Gegula and its meaning. Undip. My thesis. And 2, morphology of Wantilan in Sukawati Gianyar, Bali. And 3, metamorphosa based tourism Bali, Dewatona Mosango, sustainable. And 4, investment pattern on area revitalization Dieng, based on local wisdom sustainable in Wonosobo, central of Java. And 5, revitalization model of tourism area based on sustainable eco-culture in Payangan Bali, Payangan Gianyar. And 6, Paramatman spatial system of Wong Age house Taro village, Tegalalang Gianyar, Bali. Research and publication to be conducted 2021-2030. Publication of dissertation journal, Transformation of Balai Agung across Balinese architectural civilization. Tipe morfologi Balai Agung in Bali. Transformation of the meaning of Balai Agung in Bali. History of the theory of the god Namo Sango. Construction of swastika theory in architecture and planology. The theory. In this study, theory is not a tool of analysis. Heidegger theory of existence, being, and time as a guide step exploration, discover, understand, then interpretation and prediction. Type morphology theory as a way to trace the transformation of the Greek Balai Agung. Heidegger phenomenological hermeneutic as a guide to the interpretation of meaning. Type morphology. Morphology is understood as the study of formation and transformation. Rafael Moneo. According to Rafael Moneo, typological analysis can be divided into three phases, namely, analyze typology by changing from history to find out the initial idea of a composition, or in other words, know the origin or appearance of an architectural object. Analyze typology by knowing the function of an object. 3. Analyze typology by looking for the simple shape of a building through the search for basic building and the basic properties. Morphology in architecture. Like this, you can see my picture. Hermeneutic as a method of meaning analysis. The basic definition of hermeneutic as science of interpretation. Palmer 2003. Hermeneutic as theory of biblical interpretation or biblical exegesis. And 2, hermeneutic as a philological methodology. 1 minute. And 4, hermeneutic as the basis of foundation of methodology. 4, Eastlewissen, Septin, all the disciplines focus on understanding human art, action, and writing. Hermeneutic as a phenomenization of design and existential understanding, and hermeneutic as a system of interpretation of the text. Periodization of Balai Agung search, like picture, and so research methodology. In culture studies, theory manifests as a research method, so that research flow in a consistent flow within its corridor. Search and found understood in last predictable interpretation. This one, how to collect data. explorative, purposive, done with theme, observation, documentation with camera, measurement with metric interview, FGD virtual with Zoom Meet, and 2, type morphology as a method of transformation tracing. Morphological studies are always accompanied by typological studies, but typological studies are not necessarily followed by morphology. The typomorphological method is used to classify categories, physical taxonomy, to trace the transformation of the grid of the Balai Agung. And 3, interpretation of meaning with Heidegger phenomenological hermeneutic. How to collecting data. Data collection by explorative purposive sampling, observation, measurement, survey, and documentation. In-depth interview with a triangulated source. And 3, FGD. Analyzing of the morphology of Balai Agung. You can see like by picture. Interpretation of the transformation of the meaning of the Balai Agung. Hermeneutic as an interpretation of meaning. Transformation meaning of Balai Agung. Bali Mula civilization to independent civilization. My research design like this, like my picture and operational step of Balai Agung research, like this. Prepare and so look empiris and abstract phenomenon. The proposal and so this research design. Yes, like picture. The existence of the Balai Agung based through civilization in Trunyan village, Bangli, like Batur, Trunyan village, the old and tradition of communities, small communities. Balai Agung, Desa Pekraman Sembiran, Tejo Pulo Singaraja. Puro Desa and Puro Pusat has undergone many changes, and also Balai Agung. Balai Agung Tenganan, Karangasem, Bali. Desa Pekraman Tenganan Pegeringsingan. The architecture artifact is still very original. Very original. Beautiful Balai Agung. Balai Agung Desa Pekraman Bugbung, Karangasem. the twin Balai Agung. The existence of Balai Agung in the civilization of Bali Aga. Bali Aga civilization is marked by the arrival of Rsi Markandeya from the Dieng Mountain, then to Mount Raung just continued his spiritual journey to Bali, making petilasan in Taro Tegalalang, Yanyar village. His spiritual journey lasts twice. Yes, Rsi Markandeya. Balai Agung Desa Pekraman Panglipuran Bangli. Balai Agung Desa Pekraman Jatiluwih, Tabanan. The existence of Balai Agung in the Empu Kuturan civilization. In the Empu Kuturan civilization, the age of Pura Kayangan Tiga for all village in Bali is elaborated by Empu Kuturan at Pura Samuan Tiga, Gianyar. Balai Agung has developed with spatial formation of existence in Madhya Mandala, Pura Desa, almost all over the island of Bali. The Balinese people to create Merajan or Sangga, Pura Kawitan, and Pura Kayangan Tiga is Empu Kuturan. The concept of Sangga Mandala, Trimurti, Saptaloka, Saptopetala, Trihitakarana concept has become the basis of Balinese architecture. The existence of Balai Agung as a communal space has been replaced by Balai Wantilan. The function and meaning of the Balai Agung become a secret balai intangible Pesamuan, ancestor from various Kawitan in village of Pekramaan at the time of the sacral event before the holiday of Nyepi, namely at the Melasti sacral event. All village temple, the entire village of Pekraman in Bali has Balai Agung with spatial formation in Madhya Mandala. So the spare of the existence of Balai Agung in the Empu Kuturan civilization spread on every village temple throughout Bali, a testament of the great history of the existence of Balai Agung. Balai Agung Desa Pekraman Bedulu. Balai Agung Desa Sukawati, Gianyar. Balai Agung Desa Guang, Sukawati. So, Balai Agung Desa Krewel. Balai Agung Desa Kapal, Mengui Badung. And this type morphology Balai Agung. Horizontal typology, longer and wider dimension than late civilization. Vertical typology. In the civilization of Bali, mula bebaturan dimension of the lower nature. Balai Burloko. Balai Agung is very low. Simple even sake only in the joint. Umpak. Balai dimension. Burloko is also very low. The rope with the dimension of swah loka. In the shape of a mountain is flat with natural material. This can be seen in the Bale Agung. Pilih Pekraman Trunyan, Sembiran, Tenganan, and Bogbog. Bali Mula. Typology Bale Agung on the Balinese Age civilization. Bali Age. Horizontal typology. Smaller dimension than the Balinese Bali Mula civilization. Vertical typology. In the civilization of Bali Age, higher both Baturan, Bale-Bale, Sako, and Rope. Typology Bale Agung on civilization in Puputuran. Spatial formation related to its location is already in Madhya Mandala. Its function as a public space, Sangkep, has been replaced by Bale Wantilan because Bale Agung has become a scarp function. Horizontal typology, dimension smaller than the Balinese Age civilization. Vertical typology. In the civilization of Bali Age, higher, both Baturan, Bale-Bale, Satu, and Rope. So, morphology toward the transformation of the Bale Agung across civilization. Horizontal dimension transformation. Transforming is getting smaller. Vertical dimension transformation. Transforming is getting higher. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. 1. The existence of Bale Agung. Bale Agung already exists from the civilization of Bali Mula after prehistoric civilization and exists until now. And 2. Transformation of Bale Agung across civilization. Transformation of form horizontally, so the smaller but vertically higher, along with the increased lack of the land in Bali. Transformation of the meaning of Bale Agung phase civilization from civilization with the function of propan public space then is Bale Sangkep or Pesamuan to the function of sacral space Pesandekan Ide Betara turun kabeh even melasti before the holiday Nyepi. The spatial formation of Bale Agung, that twin cross civilization, did not change much, meaning from the time of Bali Mula to the present Bale Agung more twin, but which function as a sacral melasti event is a Bale Agung on the east or north side and has a very high vertical dimension. For the case of Tenganan, the spatial formation of Bale Agung is very uniquely different from Bale Agung anywhere in Bali. Its spatial formation were not twin, serving and communal spaces until recently. Transformation occurred because the collective paradigm of society from civilization to civilization changes evolutively from cosmocentric paradigm. The centrists developed toward anthropocentric civilization. Recommendation. Transformation is endless, walking through space and time. Nothing is eternal, for only change is eternal. The future we look back the future, we predict the future. The personal paradigm that shapes the collective paradigm of society become a characteristic that colors civilization. Civilization after civilization transform toward a better life. Astung Karaswaho. Reset add-on. The revelation revealed from the study area. The first, the awakening of local knowledge about Balai Agung regarding the existence of Balai Agung that passed through civilization from the era of Bali Mula to the present. Knowledge of typomorphology of the grid of Balai Agung, knowledge of formation and transformation that passes through civilization, knowledge of transformation of the meaning of the Balai Agung. The second, the use of research methodologies that combine morphological methodology with phenomenology in architecture and culture studies, where the new methodology is given the term morphophenomenology. And thank you.